This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Nathalie Sweeney. Beautiful custom sterling builder home, located in desirable FISD. Unique quality features and finishes, open floor plan, neutral soft colors, lots of windows and natural light, as this home looks amazing. Front porch west oversized iron door, curved stained wood ceiling entrance, soaring ceilings west crown molding, beautiful stone fireplace, built-ins throughout the home, French doors, chef's kitchen, abundance of upgraded 42 inches raised cabinetry, 6-burner gas range, pot filler, double oven west convection, huge gourmet island west sitting, lovely breakfast room, oversized walk-in pantry, work mailroom west desk and lots of cabinetry, stunning dining room, lovely master retreat west/huge dual vanities master bath, second downstairs bedroom, full bathroom west/outdoor access, 2 bedrooms up west/gorgeous bathroom, oversized game room, media room west/overhead projector and wall screen, impressive laundry room, mega mudroom west cubbies and storage at garage entrance, oversized covered patio. I could go on. Low tax and HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Nathalie Sweeney at 713-965-6416.